Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Camille, and in this video we're gonna be doing a get ready with me type of thing. Well, me just put on some makeup for go work. Right over there, so yeah, over there, so work. So we're just gonna be combing our hair and putting on some makeup. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe down below and join the family. If you're not new, welcome back, guys.
Yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. I'm starting off with my hair first, and I'm not doing anything too fancy. I'm just going to be putting my hair in a bun and pull two parts out at the side to give the hairstyle a little pop. Now I'm going in with my ORS hair moisturizer. I didn't really need to put this in my hair because my hair is really moisturized. I've been using the Jamaican black castor oil in my hair each night before I go to bed. So my hair didn't really need moisture. I just put it there to kind of soften my hair a little bit while I was brushing it and all of that. Just in case you're wondering, I am actually 2 months post relaxed. Yeah, I relaxed my hair in the beginning of December of last year, so just in case you're wondering. This is definitely one of the easiest and quickest hairstyle to do, and trust me, this hairstyle can pull off any makeup look. There are so many ways to make buns these days. This is just the one that I chose personally for this look. Sometimes I can be so oblivious. So you remember in my last video I was saying I don't have a curling iron? I actually do. I do have a curling iron, and I will be using it to curl the side parts of my hair.
Guys, I'm so sorry about the lighting. It might continue to change throughout the video because I'm trying to incorporate my ring light along with natural lighting, which is the sun and the clouds passing by. So I'm so sorry if the lighting is changing constantly through the video.
Moving on to the makeup. Yeah guys, so I'm starting off with my brows first. I usually do start off with my brows, and I always use the same pencil. It's just a brown eyebrow pencil, eyeliner pencil, whatever it's called. I tried to record the whole thing while I was doing my brows, but guys, I was losing focus and I needed to get the brows done properly. So I'll probably show you that in the next video, but this is what they pretty much look like now. And I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. I interchange with primers. This one is not so bad. I don't really have any fault with it. And now I'm using the color corrector to just cover up those dark spots on my face. Just in case you don't have a color corrector, you can use red lipstick. I've personally never used red lipstick before, but come on, we all watch YouTube videos daily to see how to do makeup, and I see the other YouTubers using red lipstick. So I've never tried it, but I know that you can. I've seen them do it and I've seen it work. So you can give it a try if you wish to, if you don't have a color corrector. Now I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer to just set the base for my eyeshadow. Guys, this whole eyeshadow thing is just drama. Drama is the best word to use for it, because I intended to do like a white eyeshadow type of thing, and then next thing we know it turning a pink. So I don't know, just keep watching the video to see how it goes. Now I'm using my concealer brush to blend that out a bit, and I'm also adding some setting powder as well. Let the action begin. So I'm using this palette from Revolution, right? And my intention was to really use only this palette to do my entire eyeshadow look, but I wasn't getting the pop that I wanted, so I had to change palettes and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm just using this Revolution palette to do the base of the eyeshadow. These colors in this palette are really nice, and I love working with them. I just wasn't getting the pop that I really wanted. I'm not even gonna hesitate to tell you guys that this makeup is beginner friendly. What I'm doing here is 100% beginner friendly because I'm a beginner, and honestly, it's a watch and learn type of situation. I will keep yourself, because I don't know what to explain to y'all, you know. So I'm not even teaching you guys anything anyway. It is a get ready with me. So it's just a watch and see what keep ear so, because I don't really know how to explain nothing. So just keep watching. This that I'm doing right here, I know it's called cutting your crease. And the reason I'm cutting my crease is so that when I put the color on, it will be brighter or it will show up more, because you know I got that melanin in my skin and sometimes the colors would just look a little bit more dull. So I'm just adding that, I'm just cutting my crease there so that the color will pop. At this point, Mrs. say, me not get me a bargain for. Guys, where is the white that I'm adding? Where is the white that I'm trying to add over this cut crease thing? I'm not seeing it. Is the white not bright enough? But it's white. It should be, shouldn't it? So I wasn't getting what I was hoping to get at all. So this is why I went for my Urban Decay palette now, and I'm trying to add some white from that. It still wasn't showing. So I don't know if I did something wrong. I really don't know. The white wasn't showing. The white wasn't popping. Or is that how it's supposed to show? I don't think so. That's not what the other YouTubers look like. So a change of plan. Change of plan. That white there, I forgot to turn on different color because it's not white enough. Here with the Milani palette now, trying to get some white from that. No white, I found pink. But it's a kind of shimmery pink. So I was thinking, okay, let's get some glow going. So I added that. I still wasn't getting the glow that I wanted. So this is why I chose another sparkly kind of color to say, okay, let's spark things up. So this is pretty much where I stopped with adding stuff and changing colors. Yeah, I just added a lot of that sparkly thing and just call it a day. Now I'm just going in with the liquid eyeliner. Guys, this eyeliner could mess up your whole face. It could mess up your whole makeup, so you have to be really careful when applying this wing liner to your eye. You know, it takes a lot of practice. Take your time, do it slowly, and you will get by. I promise. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer to just highlight my face, under my eyelids, forehead, chin, nose, Cupid's bow. Yeah, so I'm using the shade Toffee. Yeah, this is a concealer that I always use. Sometimes I brighten it a bit, sometimes I darken it a bit with other stuff, but my main concealer is usually Toffee. I don't really like to do it this way, where I put the eyeshadow on first and then put the concealer on underneath my eyes, because it just kind of is harder to blend this way, to me at least. But it's not easy either, having to wipe off all the eyeshadow droppings off of your concealer. So 6 or 1 after is nice, same 6. So you just have to pick your heart, pick which struggle you want. When I got to editing the video, I realized that I literally stopped showing you guys stuff. Like, I just started to do the makeup right through. I wasn't showing you guys anything that I was using. Anyway, it's the same Morphe setting powder that I used on my eyelids. This is that I used before I applied the eyeshadow. It's the same thing that I'm using right here. And now I'm just using the Revolution foundation stick to contour. Now I'm just going in with the shade from the Urban Decay palette to just darken along my waterline before I add the mascara. Now I'm just using the Maybelline powder in the shade Coconut to balance off the rest of my face. So with all the product we've been using before, of course, some of it is on my lip. So I'm just using some wipes to clean it off so we can start off with a clean base. I'm actually using this lip liner to line my lips before adding some pink lipstick. Now I'm just going in with this Cover FX Monochromatic Blush Duo. This is really nice, guys, and I'm just using this to add some dimension to my face. And I'm adding some highlights as well. I recently got this jelly pop from elf. Like, guys, this thing is really nice. It's used for highlighting, and trust me, since I got it, I've even been using it on my whole body. I've been using it on my shoulders, on my chest, on my neck. Like, this thing, and you have to use like a little bit. You can't use a lot because it's very shimmery, but it's nice. It's nice. When I'm using it on my face, I just use like a teensy wincy bit. You can't use too much.
That is pretty much it for the video, guys. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. If you're not yet subscribed, like, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now, turn on the bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.